What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today I wanted to just get a short video up for the weekend here. Just some things that I bought here, nothing crazy, but I wanted to share them. And what I have here are some screen protectors for the Google Pixel 3 XL. This is by LK, and the reason I like this is that it's low budget, it's very affordable, but you get a few screen protectors as well as a case in here and application spray. So I just wanted to open this and show it off. And then I got a universal cell phone stand here by Lamicall. Again, we're gonna just unbox that and show it off. Just a neat little gadget here for you if you are interested in having a little mount for your phone. So let's go ahead and get into this. So let's go ahead and start with the screen protectors first. We're gonna pop this open at the top, slide this out. We're gonna have some wipes here just to clean our device off. Then we're gonna have application spray, pretty self-explanatory. Then we're gonna have some installation instructions, registering your device. Now this unit actually didn't come with the case. The previous unit I bought did, and as you can see, this would be the case we had, and it's just a basic clear case, just flexible, just to protect our Pixel 3 XL. Again, this one doesn't have one, but there is an offer to get that here. Get the free Google Pixel 3 XL case, and this one's actually pretty cool here. It looks a little more techy compared to the clear one that we have here. This one's just very simple. Again, great for the price. This was all under 10 bucks. And then we have the screen protectors here. So you get 3 of these, and they actually look milky white, but that's because they have like 2 kinds of film on them to protect the front of the screen protector as well as the back. Now, as for the screen protector, it went on really well on the Pixel 3 XL. It's going to be hard to see it in this video here, but I do have the OtterBox series Defender case on here, and I've had some problems with screen protectors fitting on here really well. The only issues we have is that it's starting to bubble up in the corner right there on the left side and on the right side. But other than that, this screen protector actually works great on this phone, and it's not glass. Again, it is a film, so there's that to consider too if you are looking for glass. But with the OtterBox series Defender case, I definitely would not go with glass, because if you wanted to trim it, you can't really trim the glass, whereas a film screen protector, you can trim that if you want to fit a little bit better. But anyways, let's switch to the Lamicall phone stand here and open this up. So this should be aluminum here. We shouldn't have to put it together or anything, but I found this interesting. This was on Amazon as well, and I just thought it'd be like a really nice device to hold my phone in like a kiosk mode or while it's charging. But it's a nice aluminum stand. It's got some silicone feet at the bottom there just to keep it from sliding around. Let's go ahead and put a phone in here. So we're gonna go ahead and put my Google Pixel 2 XL in here because I'm shooting with the Pixel 3 XL. You can actually see that sits really nice, and this is in landscape mode. We could put this also in portrait mode. I'm gonna adjust the camera and then show that off. Okay, so we're gonna take the Google Pixel 2 XL and just put that on the stand, and as you can see, that's gonna look really nice, just very modern looking, very cool. You can put the 3 XL on here, just a nice little stand to charge your phone. And speaking of charging, we're gonna show that off here. So we've got a USB-C cable right here, and we can actually just fish it through the hole here, and then we can put our charger right into the phone, and we can sit this on here. That looks really, really good. Really nice, clean looking stand. Just something that I've been looking for, and I really do love the style of this. Just really, really cool. So I want to try this new stand in my kitchen here next to my Google Home Hub. You can see that looks pretty good. We're also here by my media stack I call AIM-1, and I also placed it there. I've got some charger cables here, and that's a likely place to plug in my device. Another good place for this phone stand would be here in the bathroom next to our outlets here. We can listen to music while we're doing things in the mirror or taking a shower. The next thing I want to point out about this phone stand is that we've got good access to the fingerprint scanner, which means we could place our thumb on the back and unlock the phone without any of the stand getting in the way. So going over this stand again, I want to say it's pretty good for the quality. Again, it's aluminum, And what I like most about this is that this part here is really tight. Now I am concerned over time if we move this a lot, if this is actually going to hold really well still. But as of initially, I gotta say I really do like this. Very nice minimalist design, does the job. We've got clear access to the charge port, and we've got clear access to the fingerprint reader there, and we've got this nice little hole to feed our charge cable through. So really liking this. So here we are, and I have my Google Pixel 3 XL on the Lamicall phone stand here. We're recording a video. Now this is what it would be good for too, is just making a YouTube video, or maybe you're doing a call on Duo, anything like that, FaceTime if you're an Apple user. So this is going to have a good use for that. Now doing videos with this would be a little harder if you are a creator, but it's nice to have like an additional mount for another camera or something like that. So that is pretty much it for this video today. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, make sure to leave a like. If you have any questions or comments, as always, drop those below. Now the channel is getting more and more comments, and I'm just one person, so I do try my best to get to everyone. So if it takes me some time, please be patient. I'm going to do my best, even if it's just to say I'm not really sure or I don't know an answer. But again, the great thing that we have going on with this channel is we have a lot of good people. We've got a good community, and if I can't answer a question, we've got others in the comments that will respond to questions that I obviously can't answer. Now, you can support the channel by sharing this video with someone who you feel would like this kind of stuff. I've got a whole bunch of other videos. I do focus more on Google stuff made by Google, but I do other things, obviously tech like this, hardware, anything like that that's related to technology that's not made by Google. You can also support the channel by hitting that subscribe button. That'll allow us to get more viewers and more subscribers, and it just makes the channel look even better, and it's always appreciated. So that's pretty much it, and until next time, Leon checking out.